This is Keith Taylor with Bekaert. I'm here today to answer a question that we've been getting pretty frequent here lately, and that's how do I use the T-Clip from Gripple? So the T-Clip from Gripple is basically just an in-post termination. It takes the place of some of the more time-consuming, complicated hand ties that are out there. And the way a Gripple works is there's a one-way locking channel that the wire passes through, and then it can't back up. So to make this T-Clip work, I have stripped away a couple of knots from a fixed knot product, and you can find that on some of our other how-to videos. So bring the end of the wire around the post, take the Gripple and edge it up, place it on the line wire between the ears, rotate the Gripple over, securing it to the line wires, bring the cut end around and through the Gripple, pull all the slack out. You can either cut the wire off, or if you prefer, you can bend it down, whatever look that you like, and your in-post terminations are done. So always remember, when it's time to purchase your fencing products, remember Bekaert, made in the USA.